I wonder if my husband would know.
No, I thought maybe I'll just Google it and see there's got to be a way. I was just trying to look at the homework assignment and it has the same thing.
Does it?
It says create a pie chart for class rank. And I was like, oh, great. Mine just keeps showing me numbers. So,
Okay. Well, let's see if we can figure this out then.
and then I have one more question, and maybe you got this, but you know when you get the z-score?
Yeah.
So you do the value of whatever it is, right?
Yeah.
Minus the mean over the standard deviation. But sometimes like they're doing the 0.50 first. I don't know, like I'm not getting negatives when I'm supposed to, I feel like.
So which one specifically did you have a hard time with? Because one of it was they were using the 0.5 just for, that's what it was. They were getting half. You know, then are you talking
Right.
about less than 16 or 17?
Um, Sorry, I'm just looking back on this one. Like I said, I was trying to do my homework and it was on there that I didn't understand.
Well, I didn't get to homework yet, so let me pull that up real quick.
And that we probably don't need to talk about it, I guess, but
Yeah, but if, I mean,
I got a positive number and I should have gotten a negative.
on the homework one,
Mm-hmm.
you probably just have them backwards is all I'm going to say.
Maybe like if it's
What,
gonna
what
be,
number, what number specifically are you talking about?
it's number 9 on the homework.
Oh, sorry, I have the hiccups now.
Oh shoot.
On lesson 16.
Yes. Maybe it's just when it's less than, because 0.528 minus 0.5 doesn't give you a negative number, you know?
Yep. But you're doing 0.50 minus 0.528, aren't you?
No, I was doing it the other way. So am I doing it backwards?
Well, right, because don't you do your p hat minus your p, and your p is 0.528, and you're looking for your p hat's going to be, if you're winning, it's going to be 0.50, isn't it? I don't know. Try that and see if that works.
It does work because I put that in and I was like, why am I doing these backwards? But like if you look in the book where it goes over the z-score, like on number 7,
Yeah.
it has it written out for you. Like if you pull it up. It's under that 3.1 tossing a coin.
Hold on. Let me go. Let me get to speed. Okay. Under number 7.
Under number 7 on 3.1. So see where it gives you like the z equals value minus mean.
Yeah.
Here's the mean. And then when you show the solution, see how it has the blank minus 0.5? Maybe that's the mean. I'm confused.
Well, because the mean in this problem is 0.5, but I believe the mean in the homework problem is 0.582. And then the p-hat is 0.5.
Okay. So I just need to switch I just need to get that in my mind right. So the p-hat is the mean?
Hold on, what? Sorry, my husband just texted me back about the pie chart. What did you say? I'm sorry. So 0.582 is our p, is your p-value, right? And p-hat is the 0.50. Because we know, because it tells us p is 0.582, right? Or 58%, right?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. Or 52, sorry, I'm saying them backwards.
0.528 is our p-value. So,
yeah.
Okay. I think I was just doing those wrong. I stayed up really late trying to work on these and,
Oh.
do that darn pie chart.
I know that pie chart killed me. Hold on, let me see what he said. He said watch a YouTube video. Well, he explained it, but he said you can mess with it. You can add/modify. And it's got to be something super stupid.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm like, it's probably really easy. I just don't know how to do it.
Yeah, it's got to be something super easy. Yeah, but I could not. I mean, do you have to total them up? Because, the first one, do you have to sum them up yourself?
I don't know. I tried re-ranking that, to put them in order a little bit more.
Right. So, no, I totally agree. And what are we doing? See, that's what I don't know, because when we did the pie chart the first time, it had us grab
It had us grab those 2 rows, right? Is that what
right.
we did? And I'm like, oh, super easy. And then I get I only just did the 1 row. I tried moving it over and putting the clasps with it, but it didn't help.
Right.
And putting them in alphabetical order didn't help. I just keep getting a bunch of numbers. Is that what
I know
you're
no, that's totally what I'm getting. So open the class survey file, create a pie chart for class rank. All you're doing.
I feel like it should be super easy, but I can't figure it out. I'm just pulling something up online to see if I can do it. I'm going to maybe run out of batteries on my iPad. Let me find a charger.
Okay.
My kids, they move them around all over the house. I need to lock it to to my devices.
Yeah, my kids do the same thing. And they are not allowed to touch it. I have it by my bed.
I have this tutorial thing pulled up. There. Okay, I'm plugged in, so
Sweet.
hopefully I don't run out of batteries. This one that it's showing me has different days of the week and another row. Like it's like they're pulling up two different rows.
Are you watching a YouTube video?
Yeah, I just Googled it and just pulled these things up.
I can help you search the web for different days of the week and another row like it's like they're pulling up.
Just one with the bar graph.
So this video is to show you how to produce a bar graph for categorical data. I'm using Excel 2016, but this also applies to Excel 2010 and 2013, I believe. So I have these two categorical data here. And actually, also, I have created two frequency table for each one of them using insert pivot table. If you want to, you can look at another video that shows you how to do that. So they're in two different worksheets. This one is the frequency table for the first population. Maybe I'll just say frequency one. And then this particular worksheet contains the frequency table for the second population. So to create a bar graph, what you can do is use this table that you have created, highlight it.
Yeah, they're highlighting two different areas. What else do you think we would need to highlight with that? There's got to be like two sets of data to make a chart. This is what it looks like. I don't know why. What do you think? Are you finding anything?
No, but I'm messing around a little bit.
You might have to go to his class time. Does he have it on Mondays at noon?
Yeah. hold on.
Yeah, I just can't find anything with only one set of data. Hmm.
He's gonna think this is a very boring video.
Hmm.
I think we have to summarize it.
Hmm. I almost feel like we need a frequency to go with it, you know, like how
Right,
many there are.
right.
I
A
don't know.
summary.
Can't count that up itself.
Well, hold on. Oh.
Like maybe we need to count them up. I don't know if you go to sort. Because freshman goes from 2 to 22. Like, do we need to make our own graph?
You got that many freshmen? I got like 8.
Really?
Yeah.
Did I pull up the wrong thing? Which, what does it say on yours? Survey data?
Class survey. Which
Survey
matches
data.
the
A homework assignment, so maybe I need to go back. Maybe that's a different set of data. I closed some things down here. I've got like 5,000 different windows. Preparation assignment. Yeah, I've still got from 2 to 22 on class rank in the class survey. Is that what you're in?
Yeah, you got how many?
I have 20. I just pulled it up again to make sure I have the right.
Screen share with me.
I just have my iPad. So I don't know if you can even see my screen. Can you?
And where's your freshman at?
It's right here. Like, mine are all mixed up. Are yours?
Oh, I just alphabetized them.
Yeah, I did too. Oh, let me go back. I just went way too far.
Well, how about we skip this, meet him in the class meeting, and then we'll ask him. Because I bet we have to summarize it ourselves.
That's what I'm thinking. Maybe we just need to write it up with how many are in the class and then make the chart.
Right. Because I have 1, 2, 8.
Yeah, I just don't know why I have 22 and you have 8. Class survey 3, mine says. Maybe because I pulled it up 3 times.
Still shouldn't do it.
Survey data. I still have quite a few. Like I was seeing if I wrote freshman, sophomore. Because sophomore goes from 76 to. I just want to see if this works, and then it is taking all of our time. 76. I just have way more. I don't know why I have a totally different thing in you. Juniors. D2. Senior.
Yeah, I'm sure there's some stupid, simple way to do this. I'm sure you just have to summarize it yourself. And I'm sure there's got to be an easy way to do it. But
we just don't know what it is.
no, let's do our assignment.
Okay.
Hold on.
I wrote my own little thing. I just want to see if I get a pie chart. Oh, I did.
Right. You have to write your own little thing though,
I
right?
just did my own little box below. And then there's my pie chart. Is that kind of what yours looks like? I mean, I don't know. I feel like
You did your own little summary.
Yes, I made my own.
Right. That's what I kind of figured that maybe that was what I was missing. Because they gave us 2 charts in the book. And one was summarized and one wasn't. So okay, let's do our group 1.
Okay.
And
we could, if we have to do a chart, at least we can do it if we have to.
right. Right.
Lesson 16, group meeting quiz, right? Am I in the right thing?
Right. So I picked C.
I agree.
Then I picked D on the next one.
You picked the last one on number 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I think too.
Okay.
Isn't P the true proportion?
Yep. That's my understanding.
Mine too.
Because P hat is the point estimator, or the, right? The sample.
Yeah, P hat is the sample proportion and P is the parameter. So I would say it's the true one. N is your sample size.
Right. If P equals 1/4, what is the smallest N that satisfies the requirement?
So 1/4 is 0.25.
Hold on.
$40. Okay, I think it's 40.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yep.
Okay.
Did you just guess that?
What's that?
Did you just guess it?
So I did that n times p. You know how it's supposed to equal 10?
Mm-hmm.
So I just put 0.25 n for p, and I put times by n equals 10. And then I just divided both sides by 0.25. And I got 40.
Oh,
And then,
gotcha.
and then I put it into the other formula, and it comes out to be like 30. So as long as it's greater than 10,
Right. Right. Okay.
that's how I did it.
That's what I was trying to figure out, and I was just, ugh.
So this one, the first one's just 0.4, right?
Right.
This is the standard deviation.
Mm-hmm. 0.1.
Not quite finished.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're good. Wait. Okay, I got 0.999. Let me try it one more time. I'm trying to use this calculator on my computer, and I punch in the wrong numbers all the time.
Mm-hmm. Did you do the square root of p times 1 minus p over n?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, and this time I got a totally different answer. I was worried that I put in wrong numbers. This time I got 0.088. Okay, so I did 1 minus 0.25. Which equals 0.75, right? Times by 0.25 divided by 24 square rooted. And I got the same answer again, 0.088. What are you getting?
0.1.
I'm going to put it one more time back, I think. Okay, I'm still getting 0.088. I don't know that's what it is, but you're doing the 0.25 times by 1 minus 0.25, right? Divided by 24 and then square rooted.
Yeah. Wait, I did. Hold on. So I did 0.4 times 1 in parentheses 1 minus 0.4 over 24.
Okay, because, okay. I was using 0.25 for P. I don't know why. But P is 0.40, right?
Right.
I think P was 0.25 for our last question, right? I don't know why I did that.
See what you get now.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the same thing as you, 0.1. Thank you. I'm sorry about that. I was totally putting in the wrong numbers, so. So isn't P just 0.3? P hat?
The p hat is not 0.3. To find p hat, you're going to do x divided by n. So that's going to be the 35. So that'll give you 0.35.
Okay. Okay. Standard deviation. Okay, so this time we're going to use 0.35, right?
Yes. No, you're going to use the 0.30.
For our standard deviation. Okay, so we're not using p hat. See, I'm confused on these. I'm sorry.
Okay. You're fine. Tell me what you're thinking.
So what is I was just wondering, so on the standard deviation, we're going to use the regular p, not p hat?
Correct. Because we calculated p hat, which we'll need later to figure out the z-score. But to find the standard deviation, you're going to use the regular p, which is the 0.30.
Yeah, I didn't understand that. So
You don't understand what I'm saying?
I do now. I just didn't obviously know how to do that. So
So yeah. Because to find standard deviation, you just use the regular p, which they tell us in the problem.
okay. So do you have your standard deviation?
Yeah.
Okay, what did you get?
0.046.
That's what I got too.
I think it was 0.0458 something.
Yeah.
And then for the z-score,
so I'm just doing that one right now. So z-score is z equals p hat minus p, right?
yes,
Over
your standard deviation.
okay. What'd you get for your Z-score?
I got 1.091.
And I got 1.029. I don't have a very good calculator. Like I just have this basic one.
Yeah.
Like I can't put it all in at the same time.
I think that's probably where a lot of your variations are coming from.
Yeah. Or you just use, like, I probably should just grab my daughter's scientific calculator, but I don't know if she took it to school.
So I get 1.091089451.
I have 0.0 for my standard deviation. I'm just pulling it up again. 0.04585. 1.091.
What?
1.091. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
I'm like, oh no, I thought I got it right. So what's your probability?
I got 0.138.
And I got 0.862. What did you highlight on yours? I highlighted everything below 1.091.
See,
But is that wrong?
I thought what was the chance that she would get more? What's the question?
It says, what's the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits? So I was thinking up to 35 hits. In her next 100 bats.
So you highlighted what part?
I highlighted everything below it.
To the left?
To the left.
And you got what?
0.862.
Okay.
So, do you get that when you highlight to the left?
Yep.
Because if it's greater than, it is 0.137, right? Or 138, round up. But her probability should be pretty high that she gets 35 hits out of 100, right?
Right.
Okay, so what's the first one? On 14, or what's the p hat on 14?
What is the standard deviation of p hat?
Oh, it's the standard deviation. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting 0.011.
Yeah.
Are you already done with this?
Mm-hmm.
You're just waiting on me.
Yeah, you're fine. I'm messing around, so don't worry. Because I'm gonna see what you got for the last one.
I got negative 1.790.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what did you get on this one for probability?
0.037.
That's what I got too. Because we're doing less than, right? We want to see if he's losing.
Right.
No pie chart.
Woohoo! We got our z-score wrong.
On which one?
Oh, because I forgot to put a negative in. Dang it.
Mine's just barely going through.
And then the probability of Brittany, we got that one wrong. Everything else is the same.
Sorry about that. That was probably my bad.
No, you're good.
Right.
I am always confused on those ones. I always have to.
I was thinking at least meant up to where she would get. So,
I know. See, that's where I have issues. So, yeah.
At least 35 hits. I thought it would be a big score, you know, like 86% chance she'd get 35 hits out of 100 bats. Like that's. Do you remember what our Z score was?
1.091.
So I'm sorry. Maybe it was greater than. Do you think?
No say.
At least 35 hits, which that would be the 0.138. I guess we could go back and try it. Would you highlight the area right in the middle, maybe? It's one of the.
Why would you do just the middle?
I don't know. Because it's a range. She's not going to get less than. She's going to get it right in the middle, maybe? I thought you'd highlight the whole thing, but.
I think you just highlight the one side.
You think you highlight just the greater than?
Yeah.
You could put the greater than in, and I could put this middle range in, and we can see. Like, I don't really care if I don't get 100%, you know? I just want to see how to do it.
Okay.
But what do we want? Gotta write down all my answers, though.
You want me to tell you them?
4, 3. Well, whatever you want. I'll put in that other one. We can do them at the same time so that it's not cheating. So some of the nurses were telling me that some of the students were cheating. Like one girl was taking the test first and she was writing down like full on everything from the test and texting it out to people in her class. And so she said 3 people just got kicked out of their nursing class.
Really? Where at?
down here at SUU.
Oh, really?
Which the one girl that I work with said that she got the text, but she never asked for the text, you know? She said,
Mm,
sent it to me, and she said, as soon as I got it, I just erased it. But I didn't like really do anything about it, you know? I just got rid of it because I felt really dumb having it, and I never asked her to send it to me. So she went in and told them that they sent her the text and what she did with it. So they let her stay in.
wow.
And she was honest about it. But I'm like, why would she text you that? Like,
Right?
one of the girls that she sent it to, she said was pretty devastated. Well, sometimes it takes a long time to get into nursing school. It's just too bad they would ruin it over something like that.
Right. Yeah, I'm going to go with the more than because, or the greater than because it says, what's the probability she will get more than?
Oh, where does it say that in the first part of the question?
Yeah. But so that's what I think we should do is the greater than.
She will get more than 35 hits in her next 100.
Yeah, so if you round it, it's
Say
going to
at
be
least when you get to the probability. You know what I mean? When you get down to the question, you're right. It does say that right when you look at the beginning.
right.
We'll get more than. So, all right, I'm just barely getting back in. Are you already in there doing it?
Yeah, I am.
On all my answers.
Sorry, I can tell them to you real quick. Did you already write them all down? Sorry.
Oh, no, I'm
I was
sorry.
listening to your story.
I'm just talking too much.
You're okay.
Working. Wait, whoa. I'm in the wrong thing. Oh my gosh.
Are
Oh
you
no.
one?
I went into the homework quiz. I
Oh
was
no.
trying to. Oh no.
You can just X out of it and it will allow you to continue quiz later.
Will it?
Mm-hmm.
How did I do that? I'm just not. I'm having a hard time today. Okay. Are you still there? Did you just turn off your camera?
Yeah, I'm still there.
So which one was it that we missed? It was
The 13.
okay. So you're going to put the 0,
Yeah, well, if you do the
0.8?
greater than,
0.138?
yeah, if you do the greater than it, and I don't know why you would put the middle one because that wouldn't even make sense to do that.
Okay.
I would just put 0.138.
Okay. I will. And I think I got the rest of them all filled in with their other answers. So, okay. Are you submitting yours?
Yep.
Okay.
We good?
Yeah, we're good.
All right.
Okay, thanks.
Hit pause on this one and I'll get another one going.
So did you do your stuff for the other one?
I did.
Oh my gosh, I didn't do it. I'm sorry. You hate me.
No, it's okay. Do you want to,
It wasn't pretty hard.
no, super, super simple. If you want to just text me, I have another group meeting at 2. So if you just want to text me and maybe we can see where we're at with that.
Okay.
And
I'm
then,
sorry. I thought, oh my gosh, we have so much to do. There's no way we'll get clear to there.
see, I thought you wanted to do both today. So
kind of did just because, we're going on vacation, but.
okay. Well, why don't you just let me know? And I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it before kids get home, but I might be able to do it tonight. Aren't you leaving tomorrow?
We're leaving today.
Oh, what time do you leave?
Gonna head out. My husband wants to get home by about 1 or something and then go.
Okay.
He just didn't want to hit rush hour, when we get to Las Vegas and.
Gotcha. Why don't you just text me when a good time will be and we'll get together this week and do it.
Okay. I'm sorry about that.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Not a problem. I'm usually pretty
I'm the one who needs it.
I was gonna say I'm usually pretty easy on time, so just let me know if you want to maybe try and shoot for earlier in the morning or something. We could do that.
Okay.
So I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know what your guys' schedule is, so
I don't know exactly I don't know exactly what we'll be doing the whole time. I was planning on spending some time working on homework. So would it be okay if I just text you and I'll make it work out for you too?
I'm pretty easy as long as it's during the day. After 3 o'clock, the chaos begins. So
Same at our house. So but I'm gonna have the kids all the time. So I just don't know what it will be like. Maybe if I got up really early. I don't know how you feel about that though.
I'm okay with that. I think I could Tuesday and Thursday I do Tuesday I have one at 9 or 9:30, 9 o'clock my time, and then 8 o'clock at Thursday morning. So
Okay.
Other than that, I'm pretty okay. So just let me know what will work for you. We could even do it. I mean, if it's late at night too, I could do that pretty easily.
Like after your kids are in bed, maybe more.
Yeah. I just work Tuesday night, so that would be the only night I can't do it. So
okay. Well,
okay.
And I have to take off some points for Thursday, but I'm hoping we can meet.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's not too big of a deal. just text me and let me know what works for you. I'm pretty easy on what we can get done. So,
Okay.
alrighty.
Great. Thank you.
You bet. Have fun on your trip.
Okay, we will.
We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.